Din Din? Ah. Look at those feet twirling. Is it good, Danny? Is it good, honey? You twirling your arms and your feet. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Oh, good. Well, yeah. Well, get it yourself then. What's up with the feet, dude? Seriously? Dinner time with Daddy Boy. It's serious business, right? Am I not giving it to you fast enough? Huh? Oh, no. Wait, it's not getting on the spoon. Wait, are you yelling at me? Don't you slam your hand down at me. Okay, here. Mommy's being mean. Danny. 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 Over here, son. Yeah, over here. Focus. Focus. Oh. You're yelling at me again. Didn't we discuss this?